for me. Here I am.
Since when were they red?
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States
Orders.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
What if this is a trap? You don't even know what this is.
Thaddeus Ross.
Captain America caught without his wings. Don't even know what this is. What do we know?
There were 5 shooters.
Like-minded individuals striving for success. Sign up for our self-paced masterclasses group and one-on-one coaching services, and gain access to exclusive resources designed to help you reach your goals. Embarking on the journey to become a millionaire in 2025 is an exciting endeavor, while achieving this goal within a single year is ambitious and challenging. With strategic planning, determination, and the right guidance, it is possible to make significant strides toward financial success. In this video, we will outline a step-by-step guide to set you on the path to millionaire status. Focusing on the foundational steps to take on day 1. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Embarking on the journey to become a millionaire is an exciting adventure, and many have walked. Let's explore for inspiring stories that highlight how my services can help you achieve your dreams and goals, and how you can take immediate action to start your own journey.
What do we know?
There were 5 shooters. This was a coordinated terrorist attack, sir.
I was a wartime general. You like to play dress up and blindly execute the state's orders.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
What if this is a trap? You don't. Wait for it. We're on the brink of war. You're not Steve Rogers. What do we know?
There were 5 shooters.
How you can do this too: define specific objectives. Clearly state your financial goals, like I want to save $100,000 in 3 years. Set measurable milestones. Break down your main goal into smaller, achievable targets, such as saving $2,800 monthly. Establish a timeline. Create a realistic schedule for each milestone to keep yourself accountable. The problem: many individuals lack specific financial objectives, leading to aimless efforts and minimal progress. Solutions: define your target. Clearly state your financial goal. For instance, I aim to accumulate $1 million by December 31st, 2025. Break it down. Divide your main goal into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, I need to save $250,000 each quarter. Set deadlines. Assign specific dates to each milestone to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Example: Sarah decided she wanted to save $1 million in 3 years. She set quarterly savings targets and tracked her progress diligently. Tom aimed to increase his net worth by $500,000 through investments and set monthly goals to monitor his growth. Emily planned to generate an additional $200,000 through her side business and outlined weekly objectives to stay on track. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation.
This was a coordinated terrorist attack, sir.
I was a wartime general. Now I'm a wartime president. Your inner circle's.
This was a coordinated terrorist attack, sir.
I was a wartime general. Nothing about this feels right. Captain America. You ever ask yourself, who's playing?
Stop!
Who? Wait for it.
How you can do this to calculate net worth. List all assets and subtract liabilities to determine your financial standing. Analyze income and expenses. Track your monthly earnings and spending to identify areas to cut costs. Review credit score. Obtain your credit report and address any discrepancies to improve borrowing terms. The problem: without a clear understanding of their starting point, individuals may underestimate the effort required to reach their goals. Solutions: list assets and liabilities. Create a comprehensive list of what you own assets and what you owe liabilities. Calculate net worth. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets to determine your current net worth. Analyze cash flow. Review your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut costs or increase earnings. Examples: Jake realized he had several subscriptions he didn't use, freeing up extra cash for investments. Lily discovered she had outstanding debts with high interest rates and prioritized paying them off to improve her net worth. Mark found that his side gig was generating more income than expected, allowing him to allocate more funds toward his financial goals. Step 3. Develop a strategic plan.
Thaddeus Ross.
Wait for it. We're on the brink of war. For me! Come and get me! Want to help me? Is there any...
How you can do this too. Develop a budget, allocate your income towards necessities, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Explore investment opportunities. Research various investment vehicles like stocks, real estate, or starting a business to grow your wealth. Set up an emergency fund. Allocate funds to cover unexpected expenses, preventing disruptions to your investment strategy. The problem? Without a structured plan, it's easy to become overwhelmed and lose direction. Solutions: choose investment vehicles, research, and select investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget that allocates funds toward investments, savings, and necessary expenses. Establish an emergency fund. Set aside funds to cover unexpected expenses, preventing disruptions to your investment strategy. Examples: Anna invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds to balance risk and reward. Ben created a strict budget that minimized discretionary spending, allowing him to invest more aggressively. Sophie built an emergency fund covering 6 months of living expenses, providing her with financial security. Step 4. Educate yourself continuously. The problem: a lack of financial knowledge can lead to poor decision-making and missed opportunities. Solutions: read financial literature. Immerse yourself in books, articles, and blogs about personal finance and investing. Attend workshops and seminars. Participate in events that offer insights into wealth-building strategies. Seek mentorship. Connect with financial advisors or successful individuals who can provide guidance and advice. Examples: David read Rich Dad, Poor Dad to understand the importance of assets and liabilities. Mia attended a seminar on real estate investing, which inspired her to purchase her first rental property. Alex sought mentorship from a seasoned investor, gaining valuable insights into market trends. Step 5. Take immediate action.
Wait for it. We're on the brink of war. For me! Come and get me! What do we know?
How you can do this to automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts to ensure consistency. Regularly review goals, assess your progress monthly, and adjust your strategies as needed. Reward yourself. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated without derailing your budget. Conclusion: these stories illustrate that with the right guidance, tools, and support, achieving millionaire status is within your reach. My services are designed to provide you with the knowledge and strategies needed to fulfill your dreams and goals. Take immediate action today by signing up for my self-paced masterclasses group and one-on-one coaching services, and join our online community to start your journey toward financial success. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Let's start planting the seeds of your financial future together. The problem: procrastination can derail even the best-laid plans, leading to missed opportunities. Solutions: start small. Begin with manageable steps to build momentum and confidence. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your investment or savings accounts to ensure consistency. Monitor progress. Regularly review your financial status and adjust your strategies as needed. Examples: Olivia set up an automatic transfer of $500 from her paycheck to her investment account each month. Ethan started by investing a small amount in mutual funds and gradually increased his contributions. Grace reviewed her financial goals quarterly and made necessary adjustments to stay on track. Overcoming common challenges, procrastination, solutions. Set immediate actions. Start with small tasks like opening a savings account or setting up a budgeting app to build momentum. Accountability partner. Share your goals with a trusted friend or mentor who can keep you accountable. Visual reminders. Place visual cues of your goals in prominent places to keep you motivated. Fear of risk, solutions. Educate yourself. Learn about different investment options to make informed decisions. Start small. Begin with low-risk investments and gradually diversify as your confidence grows. Consult professionals. Seek advice from financial advisors to guide your investment choices. Maintaining discipline. Solutions. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts to ensure consistency. Regularly review goals. Assess your progress monthly and adjust your strategies as needed. Reward yourself. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated without derailing your budget. Examples: Rachel overcame procrastination by setting daily financial tasks and rewarding herself with a small treat upon completion. Sam mitigated his fear of risk by attending investment workshops, enhancing his knowledge and confidence. Laura maintained discipline by using budgeting apps that tracked her spending and alerted her when nearing her limits. Inspiring story: consider the journey of Grant Sabatier, who, after facing unemployment, taught himself digital marketing and started a consulting business. By saving over 80% of his income and investing wisely, he achieved financial independence, amassing over $1 million by the age of 30. n.wikipedia.org. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It is like planting a tree. The best time to start was years ago, but the second best time is now. So, grab your financial shovel and start digging. Conclusion: starting your millionaire journey requires setting clear goals, understanding your financial standing, and crafting a strategic plan. By addressing potential challenges with practical solutions, you are well on your way to achieving financial success. Our services are designed to guide you through each step. Click the link in the description below to get started today.